Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to cancel Tinder Gold on Google Play Store. If you want to cancel your Tinder Gold subscription through the Google Play Store, what you need is, first thing, make sure you're signed into a correct Google account used for the purchase. You just want to make sure to log into your Google Play Store. Make sure you're logged into a correct account. If not, you just want to tap open the profile and then you could switch account as well. Once you've done this, you want to go to payment and subscription section. There you have a subscription list. You want to go to this section and this is where you will be able to find Tinder Gold subscription in your list. And you just want to go ahead and tap cancel subscription and follow the on-screen prompt to confirm it. So now deleting isn't canceling. So simply uninstalling the Tinder app or deleting your Tinder app account will not automatically stop your subscription as well. And if your old number starts with GPE, you are billed by Google Play. And if it starts with a TNDR, you're likely subscribed by credit card on Tinder.com as well. So with that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.